Hey, this is Lee, and today I'm going to show you how to change a Zippo Flint. Right, just take your insert out, and there's a screw there. Now you can either use a screwdriver or the lid of your case. Works perfect, as it does fit in there. Then when that comes out, when it does come out, you have that. Just push that and then the spring. You see, some people actually think the piece in the end of there is the Flint. It isn't, it's just a spacer. That's the Flint. Then you take this, which you can buy anywhere off eBay. It's only like £1.50 off eBay. Just take it, turn it. They pull one out and swap them, but this one doesn't need swapping, so I'm going to put the original one back in. Right, so what you do is that hole there, you take your Flint, you just drop it in the hole, like that. And this piece comes out all as one, or should do anyway, like that. And you just literally push that back in there, screw it in, this one screws in. Then place it back in its case. There you are.